Hey there, food lovers. Let's talk about breakfast. It really is the most important meal of the day. A healthy breakfast fuels your body and mind. It gives you the energy you need to conquer your day. Skipping breakfast? Not a good idea. It can leave you feeling sluggish and tired. Think of breakfast as your body's wake-up call. After a long night's sleep, your body needs fuel. Eating a nutritious breakfast kickstarts your metabolism. This helps you burn more calories throughout the day. A balanced breakfast also helps stabilize blood sugar levels. This means more sustained energy and fewer cravings. So, are you ready to ditch the breakfast excuses and start your day right? Let's kick things off with overnight oats. It's incredibly easy to make. This breakfast is perfect for those busy mornings. You just need a few simple ingredients. They are oats, milk, yogurt, and your favorite toppings. Combine half a cup of rolled oats with half a cup of milk and half a cup of yogurt in a jar. Add a drizzle of honey or maple syrup for sweetness. Close the jar tightly and give it a good shake. Refrigerate overnight. In the morning, top with fresh fruit, nuts, or seeds. Overnight oats are packed with fiber. This keeps you feeling full and satisfied. They are a good source of protein that gives you lasting energy. Next up, we have smoothie bowls. They are a delicious and fun way to eat your fruits and veggies. Smoothie bowls are incredibly versatile. You can customize them with your favorite ingredients. Start by blending together a frozen banana, a handful of spinach, and a cup of almond milk. Blend until smooth and creamy. Pour the mixture into a bowl. Top with granola, sliced fruits, nuts, and a drizzle of honey. Smoothie bowls are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. They are a great source of fiber. This breakfast option will keep you feeling energized and satisfied all morning long. For those who prefer a savory breakfast, avocado toast is a perfect choice. It's quick, easy, and oh so delicious. Simply toast a slice of whole wheat bread. Mash half an avocado with a fork. Season with salt, pepper, and a squeeze of lemon juice. Spread the mashed avocado onto the toast. You can add a fried egg for extra protein. Avocado toast is a good source of healthy fats, fiber, and protein. Section 5. Greek yogurt parfait, a protein-packed breakfast delight. Last but not least, we have the Greek yogurt parfait. It's a classic breakfast option that is both delicious and nutritious. Layer Greek yogurt, granola, and berries in a glass or bowl. Repeat the layers until the glass is full. Greek yogurt is high in protein that helps you feel full and satisfied. It's also a good source of calcium. You need calcium for strong bones. Section 6. Fueling your body. The importance of nutrient-rich choices. We've covered some awesome breakfast ideas. Now let's talk about why choosing nutrient-rich foods is so important. Your body needs a variety of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants to function properly. These nutrients are essential for energy production, cell repair, and overall health. When you start your day with a breakfast that's packed with nutrients, you're setting yourself up for success. You're providing your body with the fuel it needs to power through the day. This translates to improved concentration, increased energy levels, and a stronger immune system. So make it a priority to choose breakfast options that are rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean protein. These foods will nourish your body from the inside out. Remember, a healthy breakfast is an investment in your health and well-being. Section 7. Quick and easy time-saving tips for busy mornings. Short on time in the mornings, we get it. Life can get hectic. But that's no excuse to skip breakfast. Here are a few time-saving tips for those busy mornings. Prep the night before. Overnight oats and parfaits can be assembled the night before. This saves precious minutes in the morning rush. Utilize leftovers. Got leftover roasted veggies? Throw them in a whole wheat wrap with some hummus for a quick and easy breakfast burrito. Keep it simple. Don't overthink it. A piece of fruit with a handful of nuts or a hard-boiled egg with a slice of whole wheat toast can be a perfectly acceptable breakfast in a pinch. Remember, breakfast doesn't have to be a gourmet affair. The key is to prioritize fueling your body with something nutritious. Section 8. Variations and substitutions. Customizing your breakfast. One of the best things about these breakfast ideas is that they're incredibly versatile and can be tailored to suit your personal preferences. Don't be afraid to get creative and customize them to your liking. The possibilities are truly endless. Here are a few ideas to get you started. Overnight oats. Swap out the milk for almond milk, soy milk, or coconut milk. Each type of milk brings its own unique flavor and nutritional benefits. Add a scoop of protein powder for an extra protein boost. This is especially great if you're looking to stay full longer or need more protein in your diet. Get creative with your toppings. The more colorful and varied, the better. Try different fruits, nuts, seeds, nut butter, or even a sprinkle of cocoa powder. Each topping adds its own unique texture and flavor. Smoothie bowls. Don't have bananas? No problem. Use frozen mango, berries, or pineapple instead. These fruits not only add sweetness, but also a refreshing twist. Add a handful of leafy greens like spinach, kale, or romaine lettuce. This is a great way to sneak in some extra nutrients. Boost the protein content with a scoop of protein powder, Greek yogurt, or nut butter. This makes your smoothie more satisfying and nutritious. Avocado toast. Experiment with different types of bread such as sourdough, rye, or multigrain. Each type of bread offers a different texture and flavor. Add toppings like sliced tomatoes, cucumbers, red onions, sprouts, or everything bagel seasoning. These toppings add crunch and flavor. For a heartier meal, top with a fried egg, smoked salmon, or crumbled feta cheese. This makes your toast more filling and delicious. Greek yogurt parfaits. Mix and match your favorite yogurt flavors and toppings. This is a fun way to enjoy a variety of tastes and textures. Try adding a drizzle of honey, maple syrup, or agave nectar for sweetness. These natural sweeteners enhance the flavor without being too overpowering. Sprinkle on some chopped nuts, shredded coconut, or mini chocolate chips for added texture and flavor. These toppings make your parfait more exciting. Remember, the possibilities are endless. You can mix and match ingredients to create something new every day. Have fun experimenting and make your breakfast your own. Enjoy the process and the delicious results. Section 9. Meal prep made easy. Preparing breakfast in advance. Meal prepping is a game changer, especially when it comes to breakfast. It not only saves you time in the morning, but also ensures you start your day with a nutritious meal. By prepping your breakfast ahead of time, you're less likely to skip the most important meal of the day. This can help maintain your energy levels and keep you focused throughout the morning. Here are a few meal prep tips to get you started on the right foot. Overnight oats. Make a big batch of overnight oats at the beginning of the week and portion them out into individual jars. They'll keep in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. You can customize them with different fruits, nuts, and seeds to keep things interesting. Smoothie packs. Prepare smoothie packs by combining your favorite fruits, veggies, and protein powder in individual freezer bags. In the morning, simply empty the contents of the bag into a blender with your choice of liquid and blend until smooth. This makes for a quick, nutritious, and delicious breakfast. Hard-boiled eggs. Hard-boil a dozen eggs at the beginning of the week for a quick and easy, protein-packed breakfast option. They're great on their own, added to salads, or made into avocado toast. You can also pair them with some fresh fruit or whole grain toast for a balanced meal. Breakfast burritos. Assemble breakfast burritos with your favorite fillings such as scrambled eggs, beans, cheese, and veggies. Wrap them tightly in foil and store in the freezer. Reheat in the oven or microwave for a satisfying on-the-go breakfast. These burritos can be customized to suit your taste preferences and dietary needs. By dedicating a little bit of time to meal prep, you'll be setting yourself up for a week of healthy and stress-free breakfasts. This small investment of time can make a big difference in your overall well-being and productivity. Section 10. Beyond the plate, healthy habits for a productive day. Starting your day with a healthy breakfast is a fantastic step towards a more productive day. A balanced meal in the morning can set the tone for the rest of your day, providing you with the energy and focus you need. But it's important to remember that a healthy lifestyle goes beyond just one meal. Consistency is key, and planning your meals ahead can help you stay on track. Here are a few additional tips for a productive day. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to stay hydrated and energized. Adding a slice of lemon can make it more refreshing and enjoyable. Move your body. Incorporate some form of physical activity into your routine, whether it's a brisk walk, a yoga class, or a gym session. Regular exercise not only boosts your physical health, but also enhances your mental well-being. Prioritize sleep. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night to allow your body to rest and recharge. A good night's sleep can significantly improve your mood and productivity. Manage stress. Find healthy ways to manage stress, such as meditation, deep breathing exercises, or spending time in nature. Taking a few moments for yourself can make a big difference in your overall well-being. Fuel your body throughout the day. Make healthy choices for all your meals and snacks to provide your body with the nutrients it needs to thrive. Opt for a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables to keep your meals interesting and nutritious. Remember, small changes can make a big difference. Simple swaps like choosing water over sugary drinks can have a lasting impact on your health. By adopting healthy habits, you'll be well on your way to a more productive and fulfilling day. Embrace these changes and watch how they transform your daily life. Section 11, start your day right, embrace the power of breakfast. So there you have it, food lovers, 4 easy and healthy breakfast ideas to power up your mornings. Whether you're a fan of creamy overnight oats, vibrant smoothie bowls, savory avocado toast, or classic Greek yogurt parfaits, there's a breakfast option here for everyone. Remember, breakfast is a gift you give yourself. It's an opportunity to nourish your body, boost your energy levels, and set the tone for a productive and fulfilling day. So, embrace the power of breakfast and start your day right. Thanks for joining me on this culinary adventure. Now go forth and conquer your day.